Here comes our first painting series. This is about the story of Avengers, the heroes of our childhood. Let us begin with the fight between the great heroes and the greatest villain Thanos. This would be the oil painting on canvas, so let's get started. At first, I make the background of the painting. I make the effect of the background with soft sponge. I take the colors like lemon yellow, gambok yellow, orange, vermilion lilac, crimson red, cobalt blue, Prussian blue, black respectively. I apply all the colors with rubbing the sponge on the canvas. I used light colors first, then darker colors. I started to paint Thanos. I make a violet-like color with red and cobalt blue. For light tone, I used white, and for dark tone, I used burnt sienna and Prussian blue with the basic violet color. Here the first coat of the skin is completed. Now I make the clothing of the character. This is the first coat, so don't worry about the perfection. Then I directly comes to the other character, the hero, Iron Man. In this case I also make the very first coat. I used red and burnt sienna first. This is the very first coat. So I just tried to make the basic look and don't make the detailing. I make some outlines for second step on the face of Thanos and some other places. These outlines helps me a lot for next step. In this stage I make the second coat of the painting. Basically I work on the light and shades in this stage. Then I started the detailing work with dark colors like black. Here the brush strokes are very important. After finishing the Iron Man, I started some more work on Thanos. As more coating was required, I put another coat on Thanos' face and arms. At last, I make the detailing work on the Thanos face with very small brush and dark colors. I make the lines on the face in a single stroke of brush. This stroke is very important. I make some final detailing and light and dark work at last. Now the painting is completely ready. Let me know in the comment section which Marvel character is your favorite. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.